called knowledge is power. Do you know how many seasons are there? If you know, that's great. But if you don't know, then Sarit and Persis will tell you about them. Persis, do you know how many seasons are there?
5 seasons.
Friends, Persis says 5 seasons. Persis, can you tell me what kind of clothes do we wear in the winter season?
Jackets, caps and boots.
Very good. Persis, can you tell me what is the next season?
Spring season.
Very good. And lots of colorful flowers grow in the spring season. Persis, do you know what is the third season?
Summer season.
Yes, summer season. And Persis, what kind of clothes do we wear in the summer season?
Shirts and slippers.
That's great. Persis, can you tell me what is the fourth season?
Rainy season.
Yes, and we use umbrella and raincoat. And Persis, do you know? And what kind of food do we eat in the rainy season?
Samosas.
Yes, we eat fried food. Persis, can you tell me what is the last season?
Autumn season.
Yes, autumn season. And what happens in this season?
The leaves fall down.
Yes, the autumn season, also called the fall season. Persis, very good.
Thank you, Didi.
Welcome.
Bye.
God bless you.